So go Group B, where Africa Cup of Nations, Bafana Bafana have just lost to Egypt by a goal to nil. Egypt ke loo nto ithetha ukuthi baliqela lokuqala yoqualify for i-last 16 because bana 6 points ngabo ke abana 6 points. Bonke abanye basatsala phaa ko-3 points, abanye basatsala ko-1 point, so abanye abakabhalisi nasebhodini. But ke indaba noko ezingembanga zezokuba i-chances zokuthi Bafana Bafana ingaqualify for i-last 16 they are close to zero. Mr. Tso, because our next game we're playing against is Zimbabwe, a nation that we hardly lose against, but football, Mr. Tso, anything can happen. Okubalulekileyo ukuthi xa kusenziwa la draw ye last 16 if izakwenziwa okanye kuthatha as normal, number 1 from Group A, awudlala no number 2 from Group B. Ibafana Bafana igama lalo funeke libe pha kwi-last 16, but namhlanje besibukela umdlalo Msetso apho nothi we didn't deserve to lose if la performance ya second half was anything to go by. There were a couple of decisions. Abantu baseMzantsi Afrika bayakhala ukuthi we should have gotten that penalty. Umutau got no, it wasn't supposed to be a penalty. He had won the ball, but isandla wara anything yonke into manje Msetso le game bile drama, but Egypt 1 Bafana Bafana nil. Mandibulise Msetso kunjani?
Shen, ngibulise Mr. Nkewu, ngibulise Stizi, ngibulise Chairman, ngibulise Lindo Mkwena. Yamazi Lindo Mkwena.
How?
Yeah, bethi ngibulise uBobo Khaduso. Mhlekazi omhle.
Msetso.
Ongasungiphupa ngecawe. Shane Mashane.
Hey legend.
Yeah, Shane, look, well done to the boys. Let me start nje. Ngintwana ukuthi kumele uqale into yokuqala. Mina ngiqala ngeyokugcina. Ekutheni ukuthi well done to the boys. You know, they've shown character. They've shown that they can try so many times to try and knock to open the door. And yeah, they fought. The boys, they fought, and well done. They fought, and it was one of those games where I think even if we can start that game again to say it's 0-0 the start. Yeah.
So
yeah.
This
is football.
Elinye match, I mean,
yeah.
this is football.
Yeah,
Elinye match on my left.
Yeah.
And the Comoros has just taken the lead against Zambia.
Yeah.
The 2012 or 2013 Africa Cup of Nations winners is Zambia. 2012 rather. Namhlanje they are trailing after Mrs. Walanje. I think 12 minutes from the Lukalil. They are trailing by a goal to nil.
This is football. You know, football. That's why sometimes I say you need to respect this instrument. This instrument, Shane, doesn't say Shane Uban. No. It demands the respect from each and everyone that wants to use that instrument. It needs you to respect that instrument. Shane, look. Coach Hugo Bruce, since I saw him coaching Bafana Bafana, it's the first time where I saw him having this, attacking mind, thinking about how to create chances, how to get that equalizing goal, and having this positive mind of attacking.
Why is
it was the first time.
So,
Shane. Sometimes we always say, "Mayotenga a store of 100 rand." Don't buy impuphu 10k 10 kg impuphu 100 rand because ama-photos owathatha. So manje you must buy le 2 kg uzosala ngokuncanyanyana, uzothenga amaqanda, uzothenga futhi ne-fish oil ukuthi uhlanganise udle share. So wenza njalo Hugo Bruce ilo muntu lona othi aphe makabona ukuthi you know what, no man, I don't need to buy amaqanda, le papa layehla angeke azawathenga amaqanda. That Hugo Bruce for you. Ilo muntu ufana umuntu ozingelayo ukuthi no man, instead yokuthi ngilahlela amatshe ukuthi inyoni sindize zephezulu ushaya, hayi uthi uyama athi ngibona nje engizoyibona nje ithi ngizoshaya. So mangaba yikho nje inyoni ezophakama ithi Hugo Bruce no akashayi. So that's Hugo Bruce is always defensive. He's always worried about, you know what, I've scored a goal. I don't need to go forward. Let me defend. That's Hugo Bruce for you. And I thought the game was going to be a boring game. But, Egypt, they played, they are typical Egyptian football where they go wide. Because if we can be really honest, beside that penalty,
Yeah.
what else did they do to us?
Nothing.
Let's sometimes we need to be realistic sometimes. You know, we cannot all the time hit the coach Hugo Bruce with the decision making and all of that. But when we look at Egypt, yes, they were coming at us, head position, they tried to go wide, but did they do anything really that gave us a headache in that
Ronan was not. Ronan, I don't remember Ronan making a
Nothing,
save in the first half.
including second half. Let's be honest, including second half, Shane.
Yeah.
Including second half. There was nothing.
There was a save second half, but
That's what-
Nalapo, it was a counter. if you
Yes,
remember. Yeah,
yes.
yeah.
Other than that, what else? Then when you look at us and look at when we are attacking Egypt, how many times we're forcing Al Shayana to
You
go
don't say
out?
wrong at all. You know, not to say wrong because besingena kwi dangerous areas is Egypt. Even the box here, but would you mhlambe not to say blame, but would you point out ukuthi mhlambe decision making inside the box from Tina it was poor?
Shane, let me put this so that everyone will understand. You know, Shane, you need experience in certain areas of football. There's areas where you can get away using the young players.
Which one is
know.
critical too?
You know, when you're there inside that box, you need experienced players.
Who do we have in the country is experienced enough to be there?
We don't have. To be honest, we don't have. Because we rely on Foster because he plays in England. We think because of, the Premier League, it's one of the best league.
But
in the world.
Naye he wasn't bad. Forced Namhlanje tried to create something. For
Yes.
us because he was
No,
also,
he did.
Yeah.
He did.
I mean, Naye, we are relying on him because he's exactly the striker that we have.
Yeah.
And I will say, Manditi, he's the striker that the coach Hugo Bros needs. Yeah.
Look, that's why Shane, sometimes I don't want to go back and ask questions to say, but if we had so and so, maybe we're talking something. But
Yeah. No, I don't
for
wanna
now,
go there.
for now, I think it's also one. It's a good run for our players. They had to learn to say in this stage, you don't just go there. You work to be that level. You know, to be that level about Mosala, about Mamush, about Atia in that midfield, about Fati, about Zizo. It didn't happen overnight.
But tell me, so,
You know.
tell me, the level ka Mo Salah, namhlanje I saw
Hi.
Mo Salah being
No.
pocketed by ngubani igama lakho nyana katso? Unyana katso ndibuze igama lakho uthi ngu-TLB.
Ukutshela ngo-TLB.
I mean, so
No, that's why I'm Shane. Shane, you know, I'm one person when I'm trying sometimes to praise kakhulu certain
Paris
players.
mabuyisela mali so.
Aye.
Paris must just give them their back their man.
Shane, you know that boy, he's something else.
Chicago Fire can take back their man.
I said to go Bobo, this boy is a boss, man. He's a boss. You know, he allows Salah to hold the ball, and then he comes in.
And should I
I
tell
poke,
you,
you know.
engathi uthatha
Easy,
isitoki emntaneni,
easy. Like
so.
a young boy. No, the TP. You know, Shane, that boy is a boss, Baba. He was helping us at the back. You know, the way actions were, I asked myself, is he playing alone there at the center back or is playing with Ungezan? There were moments where he had to go from his left side. He has to go across and go and cover that side where Maba Ateka go. Then you will see him go there and have a take it. Where is Gezan?
Aubrey also had
No, man.
the game nogo esinothatha ngayo kakuhle so Aubrey Modiba.
Ah.
If Ibenyes Amini where it was his lucky day, he would have gotten a goal namhlanje
Look,
because yeah.
Shane.
Also Usela, the best right back in Africa, he would have gotten a goal now. So
Shane, that's why in Temankala I had to well done to the boys. Yes, somebody will argue and say no, but they had to do this because of Egypt. The red card doesn't matter. Teams they win games. Baba we got 2, 3, 4 goals. Baba short. Teams, they lose games, red card. For me, the boys, they fought second half. They created chances. I mean, there was a chance here, Umudiba, his tennis, Foster, Umudiba hit it. Unfortunately, I straight up. Again, the shot here, Umutao, that El Shawan, I said, the boys, they've tried, Shane.
Yeah, so
They've tried.
Masiva, I've already got a signal from Uchas to Masiva, but now in just 30 seconds, where to from here for Bafana Bafana? Awubona ingxaki endleleni ukuthi singafumana ubunzima ukuthi singaqualify for last 16 or uthi no, ilose namhlanje, ilose is fine. Last 16 yona saya kuyo.
No, we lost against a team that was very stubborn at the back. They've used the experience very well. They were compact at the back. We've tried our best. We've created chances. We didn't have that luck to put the ball in the net. So I think if our coach can go with the very same mentality of attacking against Zimbabwe, I think we will get something out of that game. So we have to really put the right players in right positions against Zimbabwe so that we can go through to the second round.
Yeah, Mr. Tso, thank you so much. So, ingathi ngunini nje scope. Ilaphika la goal.
Yeah, there was a foul up, Shen. You know, Shen, if VAR, Shen, let me tell you about VAR before. If VAR can give you food on top of the table, VAR can take the food on top of the table and throw it there in the kitchen, where now it seems like the food needs to be started fresh to be cooked. That's what happened against us with that penalty, where we're saying, I said, if personally, as a South African, I will want a penalty. But as a footballer, as a coach, no, that's not. That's
Fair
not.
enough.
The referee made a mistake.
Fair enough. So, thank you so much for this. That is Benedict Tso Vilakazi. He's played AFCON. He's played Lemidlalo against Egypt. So,
Yeah, no, you can call them. They know me. I was the man of the match playing against Egypt.
you were man of the match.
Yeah, I was. the man
Almost
of
like
the match.
you guys never scored.
No. You're talking about me. I played against Egypt.
And you won
And
man
I
of the
was
match.
man of the match against Egypt.
And it ends there, Mr. Tso.
Yeah, no. No, let's leave the rest.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. That's Benedict Tso Vilakazi. Orlando Pirates all-time leading top goal scorer Benedict Tso Vilakazi. Besibukele ke Egypt Bafana Bafana namhlanje umdlalo we-Africa Cup of Nations. Lapho ke Bafana Bafana ithe yaluza khona ke ngo-1-0 Egypt. Mo Salah scoring a penalty from so no, I disagree. But okay, it's okay. We move on to the next one. It's Egypt 1, Bafana Bafana 0. Thank you so much for watching Itiski TV.
Shapunjan bafowethu igama lami uLindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to Itiski TV. Tanko.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi. They call me Tso. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life. They are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.